Hello. So good morning, Monday morning. Monday is the first day of the week, of course, here in the Netherlands, and we just got a new shipment. These are the LG panels which we're going to use in the Ford Raptor gaming truck. 32 inches will go on the side of the sliding panels, two next to each other, 4K of course, all 4K. Then we have to have the 55 inch which will go on the back side. We also have the 22 inches which we have to fit into the front seats, which will be quite a challenge, as everything of the entire project of course. And the Pioneer X DJ RX2, which will go in a waterproof casing on the roof to make a nice DJ booth. The 22 inches have to be installed in the front seats, which will be quite a challenge. In fact, everything in this entire project is going to be a big challenge. And also the Pioneer X DJ RX2, which will be the DJ booth on the roof of the car. What's next? What I have to do now is to connect the 4K 32 inch screen over here, connect all the PCs, and then we have to do some testing. We have to do all the adjustments in order to get the picture size perfect and everything. And then after that's done, we can finally do the power measurements. We have to know exactly how much power we need, how much batteries and how much the charges will be and whatsoever, before we can start building the construction in the trunk. So it's a busy day today, and hopefully everything works immediately. So as you can see, all the PCs are up and running. So we put everything at the maximum performance possible, all in 4K with everything on and whatsoever, and it's running perfectly. So for us, for us right now, it's very important to measure the exact power drain from each and every PC. Because when we have finished that, we can calculate exactly how many batteries and converters and chargers we need. Yeah, basically for my living I have to play video games right now. That's about it. Alright, so behind me is a beautiful MCLAREN 650S Spider, and we just received the cars, and in the next couple of weeks we're going to install a very nice sound system in this car as well. Since it's a Spider, there is no space behind the seats, so we have to think about something else, and we talked about it with the client. What we're going to do is the full audio system which we normally do in all the cars, but the subwoofer will be installed in the passenger footwell. So we have to make a nice mold over there to install one 8-inch subwoofer to create a nice bass from the front of the car. All the speakers of course will be exchanged with new ones, and we will add rear speakers, because since the car was delivered originally without any factory upgrade, there is no back speakers, and we're going to make some nice trim rings and grills and everything to make it look like it was already there from factory. This 993 is already in progress. Half of the interior is out of the car. The speaker cables are already in, and we're just waiting right now for all the equipment to arrive. Once it arrives, we will put everything back in there. We will install two very small Mosconi D2 amps under the passenger seat. We will remove the original amplifier, so we have a nice space to mount the two new amplifiers, including DSP. There will be a three-way system in the front and a two-way system in the back. Nothing too fancy, no big subwoofers or whatsoever. We don't think that will suit the car. But anyway, it will make a huge improvement compared to the factory audio system. This car already had the original sound upgrade which was available from the factory, so that's why it's a three-way system instead of a normal two-way. Stay tuned because DHL will arrive any minute now, so we can start put all the equipment in. So Franklin is working right now on the subwoofer box for the Ferrari 458 Speciale. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
So to make it fit perfectly, to create all the nice shapes, and once he's ready we can start doing the upholstery with the Alcantara. Kevin has already painted the Scuderia shield in Rosso Corsa, which will arrive any second now, so we can finish this car up by the end of the day. Almost perfect fit. Yeah, we always have to, what is it called? If everything is already sanded down, we always do a test fitting in the car because there are some minor differences in each and every car, since it's a very nice but Italian handmade car. And we want to make it fit perfectly. So what we're going to do now is to mask off the sides, and then with some fiberglass Bondo we will smooth out the edges so it will fit perfectly, like a glove. So we received the equipment for the Porsche 993. We've got these very nice speakers, 5-inch mid-bass, mid-range and tweeter in the front, and 5-inch plus tweeter in the rear shelf. And then the two Mosconi D2 amps, D2 80.6 DSP and an 150.2. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the 150.2 onto the 5-inch speakers which will go in the front doors. Then the other 4 channels will go to the mid-range and the tweeters in the front, and the last 2 channels will go to the all back speakers. So anyway, we will start installing all the equipment in the car, and we will finalize that next week. Also the subwoofer box will be finished over the weekend, and next week we will continue working on the Raptor and we'll start working on the McLaren. So stay tuned, have a very nice weekend. Don't forget to push on the thumbs up button beneath this video. Make sure to push the subscribe button and to share it on your social media channels. And I hope to see you back next week. Cheers, bye bye.